Welcome everyone to use the Translate app. First of all, we have the translation area here, and this is similar to what you would see in Google Translate. You have text that you want to translate from, and it will translate that to another language. If you tap on the arrow here, you can change the language you translate from. If you tap the arrow here, you can change the language you translate to. If you tap on the switch icon, you can switch which language is at the top and bottom. You can also copy the result, enlarge the translate, or favorite the translate, and that will just save your results for future access. You can also have a robot play what the translate sounds like as well. So I'm going to exit out this menu. We now have the camera. The camera, you place text that you want to translate. So I'm going to place some text here. And what it's going to do, if we can actually detect it, it's going to take a picture. Let's see, there we go. See this one here? It's going to translate that text from English to Spanish, which is the language I selected. And you can also select a photo that you've already taken, like there, to translate. And if we tap on the content, that's just regular information. And we can see the option to copy here, the option to play, and the option to add that translation to our favorites. We now have the conversation mode. So how this works is it will detect who is speaking when and it will translate it. So I'm going to try and test out my French here. So let's start. Hello, how are you? And you can see it's going to show what I said and then a translation, which you can play. And then if someone responds in French, watch this. Muy bien. And you can see it's going to automatically detect that.
Yes, well.
And it's going to translate. And you have the view here. So you can do face to face. Maybe you have like the other person at the other side and they can tap the microphone. You can tap the microphone. And we have the favorites where you see your recent translations and the translations you favorited. And with that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.